Let's take a break from the weather. Developing tonight, attorneys for an Albany mother who was picked up by ICE agents while buying socks for her kids are urging immigration officials to release her after 2 months in detention. Alma McCarty's with us. Alma, elected leaders are now joining those calls.
Yeah, David, Maria Loya Medina's attorneys say that her detention is unlawful. And when an immigration court quickly denied her bond, calling her a flight risk, they violated her right to due process.
Maria Loya Medina is a mother, a wife, a caregiver, and even an active member of her church community.
And for more than 2 months, she's been in ICE custody at the Northwest Detention Center in Tacoma.
The story starts on January 10th when Maria was out buying socks for her son's soccer game at a local sporting goods store. And without warning, federal agents swarmed her car, smashed her window, and arrested her.
Maria Loya Medina, a citizen of Mexico who works as a house cleaner, has lived in the United States for 21 years and in Oregon for nearly a decade. Jose Miranda, her attorney, says she has no criminal record and says agents weren't even looking for her.
They were surveilling the community and arrested her anyway. They presented no warrant. They just presented intimidation and aggression.
Maria's 16-year-old son told the Albany City Council a few weeks later that his mother's detention was hurting their family.
My goal tonight is to share my perspective and advocate for the Hispanic community in Albany that has recently been affected by the prominent presence of ICE groups.
In February, Miranda says an immigration judge labeled Maria a flight risk and issued a no bond order.
The hearing lasted 15 minutes. It was not recorded. No transcript exists.
Now her legal team is asking a federal judge to order Maria's immediate release or to hear her case again so she can return to her 2 children and her husband, who recently suffered a stroke and underwent heart surgery. Oregon Representatives Bonamici and Bynum, in a letter to ICE officials Friday, demanded her release as well.
Immigration detention is not supposed to be about punishment, right? It's supposed to ensure, for example, that someone participates in their legal proceedings, which Miss Loya is fully ready to do, and we've made that clear to the government. But DHS and the Immigration Court are not applying the law here.
We have reached out to DHS and to ICE for a comment on this case, but have not heard back.